What's up YouTube? I'm here Jordan. And today we're gonna be doing another cake decorating video. And I know what you're thinking. How many more cooking videos are you gonna make? I'm gonna keep making cooking videos until we are #1. Or until I get bored, whichever comes first. But for now, we're gonna be doing some simple cake things. It's even for kids, supposedly. So let's see if kids' cake trick things can be done by an adult, or if it's just not reality. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is make some cakes, because apparently we're gonna be using a lot of it today. So I got this cake mix from Kroger. Just dump it in there. I think that's what the directions probably say. Add some oil, add some water. And now for the tricky part, 3 egg whites. Oh, they don't really crack on this plastic mixing bowl. What? Oh, I got it. If you've ever tried to get egg whites out before, oh, it's so hard. It's actually not that hard, but it's just really hard for me. Wow. Oh no, I almost lost it. We did it. Number 2. Okay, I lost the whole thing. There it is. That didn't work. So that one did not exactly go the way I had hoped. Not only did we get the yolk in, but we also got the eggshell. I'm not even that mad about it, to be honest. I mean, I wasn't expecting much different. Just fish out the yolk. Actually, that's way easier. Holy crap, why don't we just do it that way every time? Okay, last attempt. Nope. Okay. I just dumped the yolk in and had the whites still in here. Oh, this is so much harder than it should be. I got it. Look. Aren't you happy? Oh, that's kind of cool, actually. I think it doesn't really matter that much. It's just that it's white cake, so it'll be a little bit less white with, you know, the egg yolk stuff in. I don't know. Oh, shoot. Yeah, we're not getting that out. That's just the way it's gotta be. Oh, wait. I got it out. Ha. Oh, not all of it. Good enough. And next we have to mix for a really, really long time. At least if you're using a fork like I am. Oh, it's taking forever. Almost done. Okay, next we're supposed to put this in the baking sheet, which I have already pre-oiled. Plop it in there like that. Cake mix. Does it even out on its own, or am I supposed to like distribute it? Let's throw it in the oven though. See you in a half hour. While we're waiting for the cake to bake, let's go ahead and make the frosting. We're gonna need a lot of it. Start off with 1 stick of butter or 2 half sticks, and then you just whip it for a really long time. Okay, the butter is whipped. Now we add the powdered sugar. 1½ cups of that. Now back to stirring. And we are done. Here is our frosting. Looks really nice. Now that the frosting's done, let's take a look at the cake and see how it turned out. Oh, looks pretty good. Holy crap, it didn't stick to the pan. I'm so surprised. Wow, this is good, you guys. We did really good. Look, we didn't ruin it. At least not yet. Okay, so I'm gonna be making a couple different things out of this. So I think the first one I'm gonna do is section off how much we're gonna need for the Legos. Oh, this looks so cool. So let's just cut up the Lego parts right now. We're gonna layer them up so they'll be twice as tall. I think that's what they did in theirs. So that'll be a Lego. Hey, that will be a Lego. And then 1 short one. And we'll save the rest of this for the other stuff. Okay, for some reason this cake is really crumbly, and I know that they use little tiny cupcakes for the tops of the Legos, and I was just planning on cutting out circles from this cake to do that with, but honestly I don't think that's possible. This is way too crumbly. It's not staying together. See right there? So what I've decided to do is use Fruit Loops instead. These should be like the perfect size to make these things look like Legos. I'm really excited about this. We can start putting the cake together. So first we're gonna do this block right here. We're double stacking them. They have to be tall Legos. This one's gonna be red. Get our spreader and start spreading. Put some on the bottom right now just to make sure that it sticks. I feel like maybe I should have added some more red dye to this. Ooh, that's sticking really well. Okay, so we'll put the rest all over it. Oh no. I told you it's too crumbly. Look, it's way less sturdy than the frosting. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of milk to this to thin it out because this is tearing our cake apart. Okay, I went ahead and added some milk to our frosting and ruined our cake in the process. But you know what? That's okay. That's how we learn. Now let's try this again. Get your runny frosting. Just drizzle it on top. And that is not a drizzle. Doesn't matter. We're just trying our best. Oh look, it's not working at all. Big surprise. Why is this crumbling? I followed the instructions. I almost call them destructions because they're destructive. Look how they don't work. Yeah, that zoom, I hope you appreciated that zoom because I just got pink, red frosting all over my camera. Dang, I just screwed up big time. Let's finish the Lego block and everything will be okay. It all makes sense in the end. Wow, can you see this? Even though our red frosting may look like doo-doo, we're not gonna make the same mistake twice, so the other colors should look a lot better. I have to finish the red Lego because, like, we have to do our best, you know? So the red, okay, I'm making it worse. Let's just find the red Fruit Loops. Why is there only one red Fruit Loop? Oh my gosh, are you serious? Put that as the Lego top. Does this look like a Lego yet? Let's do the blue one, huh? And here's our blue frosting. I think we should make the small one up front be the blue one. Why do I still have this fork? Fold it together. That's what everybody always tells me. And then just like do some blue stuff. These spatula things are really hard to control. Ugh, I'd almost rather use a fork. What the heck? I'm trying, guys. I'm really trying. This is my best. I'm being honest. Like, I'm not messing around. Ugh, this is embarrassing. This is a Lego. My legitimate attempt. I actually tried. It's gone. It's just gone. My effort was there, but the Lego is not. It's way over there. You see it? That's the Lego. I'm trying to move my camera and I have frosting all over it. Hang on, time out. Okay, this video looks like a lot of fun because all the colors and cakes and stuff, but it's actually a nightmare. I'm trying my best to get this blue on here without tearing the cake apart because it's so fragile. I don't know what I did wrong, but it is not easy. Oh my gosh, dang. I don't know how people do this. I must have done something horribly wrong because even my frosting's not working. Why? Okay, the problem is clearly the cake. It is way too crumbly, and I have no idea what I did wrong. I mean, I couldn't screw it up just by putting egg whites and oil in it, can I? This is my first time trying to make a cake. I have no clue. Okay, but this is our brick. I know it doesn't look like much, but it is all we got. We're using blue ones because we want it to look like a blue Lego. And there they are, the blue Lego tops. Can you see them? Oh my gosh. Oh, this is horrible. Well, next we have to do the yellow one. Here's our yellow frosting. Let's make this into a Lego. Put this guy on the plate. Look how nice he looks. He's kind of yellow. I almost think we should just leave him alone because this looks probably way better than how it's gonna look once I try to spread some frosting. This cake is so fragile. Anyways, here we go. Yellow. Okay, that's cool. Oh, look you guys, it's actually working. This piece is staying together. No, seriously, this is working out. I think I finally figured out how frosting works. Wow. Oops. Now if I could just learn how cake works. This is going way better than the other ones. At least the front. If I could just get the front to work and look nice, that would be great. Could save everything for me. Add some Fruit Loops. Yes, they're yellow. Although they don't have to be. Because I'm gonna cover them up with frosting anyway. Fruit Loops. Now I gotta put the frosting on top of the Lego pieces. This should be hard. Get your act together, cake. Yeah, doesn't this look great? This just looks fun. It looks awesome. Even if it looks like a pile of rubble, it still looks fun. You can't deny that. So here's the Lego cake. Give me a rating, 1 out of 10. Leave a comment. I did my best, you know, and this apparently is my best. Okay, now that we're done with those crappy looking Legos, we need a fresh start. It is not exactly a fresh start, but it's looking better than it was. All right, so next we're gonna be doing a giant popsicle. I like ice cream, so this should be fun, even though it's not ice cream at all. Get the rest of our cake, and we'll have to make this look like a popsicle somehow. Well, that wasn't so bad. Now to get the brown frosting, I'm gonna use the regular frosting we made earlier and put some chocolate syrup in it. There you go. Wow, that was not very much. Try that, there we go. Let's mix it up a little, huh? And that looks pretty good, so we'll just put this right on top of the thing. Yeah, I made it really smooth so that it'll just flow out nicely. Still taking a little bit longer than I had hoped. Come on, flow out nicely like I said. And that's looking good. Okay, so for the blue frosting, I needed to add a little bit of milk like I was supposed to do. And I just meant to add a little bit, but I accidentally added a lot of milk. And I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, if that's ever happened, but what I ended up with was my own special recipe, something that I like to call blue doo-doo soup. Because I've been mixing this thing for like 10 minutes and it still just looks like crap. I don't know why, but this is what we have to work with, okay? I messed it up. This should be fine. Does that look normal in any way? Please? How is this worse than the first frosting I made? I don't understand. There's so much food coloring in this. Just pour some on there. Ugh. Dang it. All right, that's our blue ice cream. Oh, this is so bad. I can't believe I made this. What is wrong with me? It shouldn't be this bad. Nothing can be this hard. Okay, well, been wrong before. Should we just like fix that one up? Make it look like a little drip? Oh, whoops. That was totally an accident. Ah! up. It has become very obvious that I am just contaminating this cake. I am not helping it in any way whatsoever, so I should just stop. We do need to add a popsicle stick to this though, so it looks like ice cream. And the only thing I thought of when I saw their version was, what the heck? Where in the world do you get a giant popsicle stick like that? I have no idea. So I decided to make one. I'm just gonna take this knife and put chocolate over it. That looks pretty good to me. And I'm gonna add some blue sprinkles just to enhance the blue since I kind of messed it up a little bit. Oh yeah, this looks so much more like ice cream now. Good thinking. Maybe it needs something else, like sprinkles? I don't know. Good thing I have some. They're not even good. At least not these ones. But if it makes it look better, I'm all for it. Wow, okay, got the seal off. Somehow managed to get sprinkles everywhere. It's okay, it makes the kitchen look more festive. Where did the end thing go? Oh, where did I put it? Who cares, let's just do this. Oh yeah, that looks great. Now if this does not resemble an ice cream cone, then I don't know what does. On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate my imitation ice cream cone cake? The internet version versus my real life version. Leave a comment and let me know. And that is all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. I will talk to you guys next time, and yeah, I guess that's all. Bye. Don't listen to them. It's not easy enough for kids. It's not easy enough for me. Why do I keep stepping on Fruit Loops? Oh my gosh. They are everywhere. I seriously have frosting everywhere. Like, it's in my hair, it's on my clothes. I can't even explain why it's over there on the wall, but it is.